DK.
Hello guys!
So what are you holding in your hands?
I'm holding a water
A
bottle.
water.
But do you guys know what I'm gonna use it for?
What do you want to use it for?
I'm gonna use it for to plant the seeds.
The seed. Do you have the seed?
The seed.
Oh yeah, they gave you something at school to plant, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are going to plant it here. You can see these are the old ones we planted, right?
This
We
is like the
onions
onion.
and it's dried.
And I remember I planted a
Yeah,
stick.
this is like a flower, right? And it's dried. And you also, you're being silly. You went to plant this stick.
Yeah.
What on earth is this?
But it never grew.
Okay. Oh, I planted a flower here, right?
Yeah.
But it's dried.
Yeah.
See, it's so dried now, so it's easy to pull out.
Yeah.
So I just pulled out this one because it's so dried.
Sorry, flowers.
Now this one to here, they are all dried, so we
So
can
you wanna
pull
pull
them.
them out?
We can, or we can just leave them.
I think it was better if
Okay,
you
just
left them.
just leave them this way, okay?
Yeah. And
Do we have any seed here?
let's see.
Let's see. No seed.
Ready?
No seed.
I think I see a seed.
Where?
The seed is.
Okay, so now we are going to plant. Where is the one in the nylon bag? Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, what is this?
And our guest.
Can I see your face?
And our guest is. One here. First.
Oh, your teacher
is-
gave you this one, right?
Yeah.
To plant.
Yeah. This is one. This is one flower from school.
From school.
Yeah.
What is the name of the plant?
I'm not sure.
Okay, but it's a flower, right?
Yeah, and there's another one.
Where's the other one? Oh,
Okay.
two. Are they the same?
No, it's a different one.
Are you sure?
This is one tulip that I plant.
Okay, so what do you want us to do now? Do you want us to plant them all in one flower vase or what?
Plant them in one flower vase.
Okay, so which one do you want us to use? Let's use the other one there,
This
at
one?
the extreme.
Here?
Yep,
Okay.
but it's dried, right? So what we are going to do first is to pour water, okay? To make the plant wet. To make the sand wet because the sand is so dry. So can you put down all these things? Put them down.
Alright.
Just drop them.
One. Here.
Okay, now put the water. Pour the water into the pots
I
there.
think we should put these ones first.
No. Or you think we should plant it first before pouring water?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you bring out this one?
What? First. Okay. Review. And review.
Okay, so I got this. Make space at the middle. Now, let me help you.
What?
Something like this.
I got it. Should I try?
Okay, can you put it now?
Right. Okay, one.
We have to make it a little bit deep inside. Hold it so if I make space, you push it down. Take it off first.
Okay. I think
It's it. Okay, put it now.
one,
Inside it down.
two,
And cover it this way.
three.
You have to push it down.
Yeah.
You want all of them to be in the same flower vase, right? Okay. Which is the third one?
I already brought
Oh,
it over.
everything is complete here.
Yeah.
Okay, now gently water the plant because the sand is so dry, right? Now, so pour the water inside.
Guys, while I'm going to water the plants, Do you guys know that the plants are actually living things?
Really? Plants are living things, right?
Yeah, and there's a way
Can I see your face?
And there's a way
Say
that
hello to your future.
hello.
Okay.
And there's also a way that they breathe.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, they can even talk.
What?
Actually, not really like talk, but there's a way that they talk.
They communicate, right?
Yeah, like
With humans or with themselves?
they come with themselves.
Amazing.
Like once a plant.
And they also need water. They drink a lot of water, right?
Yeah, like a plant. When a plant like eat one.
Do you think we should give them more water?
Yeah, I think we should give them more.
Okay, just hold on. Let me get more water, okay?
Alright.
So you hold the video. Oh, sorry, the camera. And be talking to your plant.
And also, did you guys know that plants when some bugs or other things eat the leaves, it actually talks to the other leaves. Do you guys know how it does it? It actually glows to do it. To do it. When it glows, the other leaves also glows too. But it's hard to
now
see.
I will help you to water the plant. So the sun is getting hotter by the day. It means the plants need more and more water to grow into a beautiful flower, right?
Yeah. Oh, and the rest, think with by yourself, the rest.
So now the plants have enough water.
I wonder.
So plant, what do you wish to plant?
I wish to plant a tulip.
You wish the plant to grow well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Get enough sunlight. It's called photosynthesis, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will study more about photosynthesis later. Look at some bubbles.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. You want to put your hand inside a little bit?
Yeah, just a little.
Just a little bit.
Whoa!
How does it feel?
It is good, and also the sand is so close.
Wow. Okay, plants. So we will see you next time, okay?
Grow well.
Grow well, plants.
Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. Bye. Oh, look, guys. Look at this leaf.
How many days have we planted this now?
I think it's past. I think it is around 10 days.
No. Not up to.
Oh,
It's just few days.
few days.
Very few days. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen, okay? But look, this one is growing already.
Guys,
Something is growing, and then we have some little things here growing too, right?
guys, maybe they're thirsty right now.
You want to water it?
Yeah.
You have your water here, right? Okay.
Let's start watering. Get loads and loads. But don't give too much water, because you can't drink everything at once. Or if you drink everything, you might choke too.
Okay, can keep the rest for some. I want to add more.
That's a lot of water.
Not really, it will absorb in the sun.
This water is not yet on.
Yeah, Mommy.
It was about to start to smell.
Okay, let's see now. Let me try and touch it. Okay. Guys, look. The flowers the leaves are a little purple.
And the water is already inside.
Yeah. It's sinking, 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 and it went into the ground. Oh, there's still another side. It's still sinking, and it went into the ground. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. Bye.